Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
KGR. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be 2010 Honda Civic. It's a coupe, it's a two-door. I'm replacing the radiator. I'm going to show you how to do it. I love to share my knowledge. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment down below. KG, let's go get it. So I drain out the radiator coolant right at the bottom there. That's what I did. I took out these. Now we're going to snap out these guys right here. Put our bolt back there, so I don't have to look for it when I'm ready for it. Take off this bracket right here. This car has been in an accident before. It's been in an accident before. And then what a beautiful day today. So we're going to thank the Lord for that. This beautiful day. It's beautiful in New York City, baby. I'm grateful for that. You know, I'm a mobile mechanic. Sometimes it can get really cold. I have to drink some hot food. But today now, it's nice. I'll get my tank. There's one that is holding it to the condenser. This is the condenser. This guy right here. Woo! Did you see that shit? What? That boy's alive, man. Did you see that? What? was the window that made it just like that. Safety is always the number one. We're going to take out this. I'm going to sneak out of our bit. So you don't have all this leakage. So I drain my coolant out from the bottom there. It's very easy. I bring that radiator and show you. Radiator flowing around. We'll be right back. So what was happening there? The reason why the radiator was coming all the way down. I'll show you. This car is an accident, so I don't know why. Okay, right at the bottom here, I disconnected this, so I forgot to take off the connector because it was hooked right here. That was why when I was lifting it up, it kind of gets stuck. But we're free from it now. So like I was saying before, this is where you disconnect. This is where you drain the radiator coolant. Once you do that, then you will have all these leak all over the place. So like that, everything comes out. So this one doesn't come with a new one. So we're just going to take this off, place it on the new one, and go right back to put it in. I don't have to show all that. So KG, we'll be right back. So as you can see, everything was transported. I transferred everything from the old one to the new one. There's a bushing right there that go underneath, right there. And don't forget the temperature sensor to reconnect, to take it from the old one and put it back on the new one. So everything is good, the fan, everything is high. It was a slam dunk. Did you see that? Watch it, KG. We're about to put it back in now.
Hudson has to go to the floor to try to save it, and in. But it's going back home, look at it.
Going in right there. There's some room. There's some room. There's some room. Oh, it's going all the way. Not quite in it. Not quite in it. We'll be right back. The radiator is in. We'll be right back. Alright, so we're just going to put all this boat back in there and wrap up this job. holding it to connect the radiator hose. KG. Alright, KGR. So that pretty much complete the installation of this radiator. Just put some antifreeze on it. And whenever you finish it, don't forget to leave it to idle for a while so you can continue to top it up. You know? So this is it in this car, KG. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, KGR. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. I'm out.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.